Hi everyone, welcome to another video on this YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at generating a completely brand new image from an empty canvas using Adobe Photoshop Generative Fill. So let's dive right in. I have Photoshop on my screen right now, and I will click on the New File button and just choose whatever the defaults are. I think this is probably the last one I was trying with, but maybe let's do a custom square sort of canvas and let's just generate it. And as you can see, it is just an empty transparent layer. What I'll do is I'll select all of it, click on Generative Fill. So I'll move this to the top over here, click on three dots and pin it. And then in Generative Fill, I shall add a prompt of what image I'd like. In this case, I just say maybe dense forest on a bright sunny day. So let's see what image it generates. And pretty much the whole objective of this video is to just see the fact that you can create an image or you can create something from the scratch, from the ground up, without having an existing image as well. There you go, a dense forest in a bright sunny day. On a bright sunny day, you have variation 1, you have variation 2, and you have variation 3. All right, so all of the 3 variations actually look pretty good. What we'll do is we'll work on this image and we'll add some water reflection over here because I think that could really be useful. Let's click on, let's do some water, add some water in here. Okay, this is not the water I was expecting, but let's see if there's any other variations. Again, not a water bottle. Let us actually just delete this layer and then select the whole area and just say Generative Fill, maybe lake with reflection water. All right, so this looks much better. We have a water body over here. Let's see what the other variations look like. I think the first one looks a lot more better. Now, what we shall do is we shall zoom in. This little black spot reminds me of a bear, so we should add a bear over here. Let's just say fluffy bear. All right, so we have a bear, but it does look unrealistic. Let's see what the other options are. Okay, I see. So let's try and create more variations and see if that helps. There's some more variations of a bear. All of them, to be honest, look pretty unrealistic, but I think this is the closest that we might get. We can leave it at that. And what we can try and do is just generate a raft over here. So let's just say raft, generate part of the raft. Maybe let's do a wooden raft. Maybe that, and generate that. Oh yeah, the wooden raft looks a lot much better. I think this looks a lot better. And there you go. That's really an image, and you can keep doing this. Obviously, I'll put an end to this at the moment. But this is a brand new image that we generated using Adobe Photoshop beta generative AI features. We created this from a blank canvas, not from an existing image. And we just put together objects into an image, and it has blended quite well, except the bear, which looks a bit odd. But anyway, the rest of the image looks pretty much what we prompted, and you can keep on doing this, and you can keep on hiding these layers and just removing things that you don't want, and trying some different variations of something else. While in beta, you cannot use these images for commercial purposes, so you cannot start from a blank canvas, generate an image, and then sell that on any other platforms. You have to use these images for personal use only. So that's something to keep in mind. But hey, this is Adobe Photoshop, and this is just a quick video to demonstrate the the functionality of it. So thanks for watching this video, and stick around for more videos to come on this channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and also share it if you like. Thanks for watching this video. See you in another video.